That's correct. Well done.
Oh, come on! Now this is my kind of studying.
Matthew. I might have known.
Wait, did it suddenly get cold in here?
You should be doing classwork.
I get bored easily. Don't worry, I'll switch it off. Is that better?
Huh? How did… what the…
Awesome book. Maybe I can finish my game. Ugh! What's happening?
You need to study. And I'll keep this.
It's not fair!
He's right. It is a good game. This looks so cute. Matthew will love it. Oh. Maybe not. I'll need to fix it. Great. I don't have an eraser. It's fine. There'll be one in my pencil case. Where is it? I know I have one. Hold on.
Psst. Gina, can I use your eraser, please?
Sure. Here you go. Oops. Hey, you.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Just what I need.
Matthew still has it. I'll go see him. He'll be so surprised. Phew. Matthew lives far away. At least I don't need a shower later. I should have brought a jacket. I can't wait to see him. What?
You look so pretty today.
I don't believe it! And with my eraser! This is the worst! Stupid Matthew! How could he? I'm never gonna give him my eraser again! What am I gonna do? Gina, how long have you been there? Use the sharpener. How? Wait a minute. I've got it! Thanks! I should have thought of this earlier. I'll start by flipping the sharpener over. Then I'll cover the underside of the sharpener with glue. I'll fill it all the way to the top. Now to let it set. That should do it. The glue will erase the pencil. It's working perfectly! Now to finish my drawing. Huh?
I thought I could help. And I got you this.
Aw, it's so cute!
I'm sorry. Who knew science was so interesting? Oh, a message. Oh no! I forgot Gina's birthday! I need to get her a gift! There must be something around here that I can use. That's a start. Now I just need to find a gift. Whoa! Ouch. Hey! I can use that ribbon! That's gonna hurt later. Okay, time to get creative. This is going well. There! It looks amazing! But what can I put in it? A doll?
Aw, another doll! Just what I need.
Nope. Flowers. That's a good idea.
They're beautiful! Where did those bees come from? I got stung!
I can't risk it. Now this is a good idea.
Are you kidding me? No way!
Ugh. Come on, think. Oh, I know. I can make her a journal.
Start with an ordinary notebook. Open the back cover. And start to apply a thin line of glue along the edge. Do this along the side and the bottom of the page. Next, you'll need a length of pink ribbon. Stick the ribbon to the glue. Repeat this with more lengths of pink ribbon along the bottom of the page. Once you've done that, you'll need some green ribbon. Stick the strips of green ribbon along the side of the page. Don't leave any gaps. Keep it side by side. Now close the notebook over. Fold the pink ribbon over the notebook. Then thread the green ribbon over and under the pink ribbon. Continue this all the way up the notebook with each strand of ribbon. You'll create a lattice effect. Open the notebook back up and run a strip of glue along the top of the page. Fold the excess ribbon over the cover and stick it to the glue. Make sure it's pressed down firmly. Apply glue along the edge again, over the top of the ribbons. Remember to only put it on the 3 edges. Now put a sheet of card over the glue. Give it a press to make sure it's stuck in place.
There! A homemade journal. I hope Gina likes it. I'm ready for Gina's birthday! I got you something!
Wow! Shredded paper! Thanks!
Seriously? Look in the box.
Oh, right! Thank you! You're the best!
I know.
My nails look amazing!
Getting the right skill is tricky. But it's fun.
Yeah, sure. What is that?
It's my ship.
Whatever. Let me focus on my nails.
That's fine. I need to finish this. Oh no! My pencil! And I don't have a sharpener. Oh, what'll I do now?
What's wrong?
My pencil snapped and I can't sharpen it.
Take this!
Oh, okay. How does that feel?
No! Use it on your pencil!
Oh, right. I see. I'll run the pencil over the nail file. It's working! Look! Now I can finish my drawing.
I told you!
I have an idea. I'll draw you.
Wait, I've been working on some poses. How's that?
Awful. Oh, I know. Go over there.
Okay. Ready?
That's more like it.
I feel so glamorous.
Put your hand on your head.
Like this?
That's it. Wonderful.
How much longer?
Hey!
I'm awake.
What do you think?
Yeah. Good effort.
This is my best work yet.
Wow, that's really stuck up there. That looks chewy. Uh-oh. Hi.
Take a seat, Ellie.
Oh, okay. Don't look at me. She seems friendly. This color suits me. Achoo!
Okay, class. Open up your books.
Do I have to?
We have a very exciting lesson today.
Yeah, right. I love her notebooks. I suppose I better take some notes. I know. My pen is super cute. I wish I had nice things. All my things are so boring. It's not fair.
What's going on back there? Hold on. What's the problem?
I have pen envy.
Let me see that. That's one fancy pen. Maybe I can help.
Really?
Upgrade your pens with this simple trick. Remove the parts from the pen, then fill the casing with glue. Try not to make a mess at this stage. That should do it. Now, pour in some glitter. Put the ink back into the casing. And screw on the nib. No more boring pens. Looks good, huh?
Wow! Look at that!
I can't forget about this cute little guy. Aw, he's so adorable.
Thanks!
Wait there. Now I feel more comfortable.
Wow! You're so stylish!
I'll take those. These won't do. You need a makeover. I feel so alive.
How did you do that? Who cares? I love it! You're my favorite teacher!
Just doing my job.
I feel amazing! What? Wow! I love your new look! Oh, I have something to give you! Really? For me? Thanks, bestie! Selfie!
I love this class. Oh, I need to change. Ahem. So, today's lesson. What's your best school hack? Let us know in the comments below.
Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.